Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to check a battery percentage of a laptop. Okay, here is I'm using Dell Precision 7740 and Windows 11 OS. You can see here my right bottom corner there is a symbol, multiple symbols. You can see here internet, volume, and charging. Whenever I move my cursor to that section, it is show battery status is fully charged. Okay, you can simply click on that, then you will get more details about it. Then you can see here your battery fully charged 100%. You can click on that, then you will get more details. You can see here about battery levels, usage, and other details. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.